mazito. Yakiwa mazito zaidi Nairobi. Lakini ikiwa imemalizwa hapa, mambo imekwisha.
Nekorum gajon kwa dhinyi megi weche mago manyien mag Migago. Piny owacho onyiso chir ni kwan jolimbe dhi medore kowuok milion 1.6 higa mokalo nyaka milion 2 e thuolo ni ma jolimbe medo donjo e pachoka. Jagoro mongirore Migago mar jolimbe John Ololtua malose gwenge ma Kilgori soyango ni nyaka gie sani maromo jolimbe milion 1.4 osemolo e pachoka kendo kwanno pod medore. Thoth jolimbe masani nitiere pachoka nobiro neno le kaka madongo mano moting'o jowi kod omuga mabende dar kendo ng'ado aora Mara kowuok e kar rito le mar bunge mong'ere kaka Serengeti e piny Tanzania ka gidonjo e kar rito le ma Masai Mara mantiere piny Kenya. Ololtua ojiwo piny owacho mag counties mondo ober weche limbe kaka yor jiwo yuto margi.
Tourists would arrive. Right now, if you look at up to around July where we are now, we're already clocking about 1.6 million, which means if we continue with that trajectory, we are probably going to hit maybe 2 million by the end of this year. But we can get even more if we really have concerted efforts on promoting tourism. And when these investors come, they are able to invest in our country. And as they invest in our country, the investments also attract more tourists. You know, we have tourism really, it's not just people who are coming to see the tourist attractions. We are already doing mapping in liaison with the county governments, and we have already done mapping of all the attractions. You are aware, His Excellency the President has projected very clearly that through the scientific and archaeological records that we have, that Kenya is a cradle